Hello. So you wanted to make a graph using this data. What I would suggest is you would highlight USA, Italy, and South Korea. Drag your down the window all the way down to April 10th. Come back up to the top where it says Insert, select Chart, change column chart to line. It says X-axis, add one, select the date column, which is the first column. Go all the way down to April 10th. Say OK. Scroll back up. There's your dates. I would move it. Now every time you add a number here, it will automatically update your graphs. If you wish to customize it by giving a title, you can then click here for doing your titles.